Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you if your character AI app is showing you might need to wait a little bit error, then you have to visit the character AI website if you want to use, because it is happening in the app that many of the users are continuously chatting, so AI can't answer. So here we can use our Google browser and we can search for character AI. You have to go to their website. So just log in with the same ID, whichever ID you have logged in to with your app, and from there you can access it. It is very easy to do that, and you can do. Okay, just click on create a character, and you can use it. And here it will not show any error. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.